Yes, hello, we are back again. Hi everyone, welcome. In this edition, of today's newspaper of Friday, September the 25th, 2020. We have 4 Sudokus left, 2 binaries and 2 tectonics. First, we will solve the binary number 1. This will be a number 1618. And what kind of binary is this one? We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Double O here an 1, there an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Double O here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we need to compare. Yes, compare. Let me see. 101. Do we have 110? Yes, the last column and the 4th column. 111100, empty box 110000. So we need to switch these 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, an O there, an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great. A binary, a Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon with the second binary puzzle in this additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.